5 AI tools that will completely blow your mind, starting from automations, agents, screen share, voice AI, auto booking. So yeah, many to discover. I'm confident you haven't heard of at least half of these tools, so excited to share. I started one of them already. This is one of the agent. I asked the agent to create a modern dashboard where I can see the latest AI news. Currently, it's performing a test on the dashboard. So once it's ready, I'm going to share the results. The time. So it's done. It took at least 10 to 15 minutes to generate all this, but the crazy part is, so it generated the dashboard and then corrected if he found any errors. So yeah, it's pretty insane. Let's open the dashboard. Let's see. OpenAI GPT-5. Yeah. Okay, so we have all the topics. Wow. Fun and memes. Exactly how I asked. Insane. insane. And yeah, story of the day. 5-minute read. Wow. Read the full story. I guess it's not fully integrated, but this is insane. I mean, you can still integrate and updated 20th of July. That will be tomorrow. So I guess yeah, this can be improved even more, but it's just pretty crazy what it can generate in like 10 15 minutes. So that was Minimax. Let's move on to the next model. Okay, so Mind Studio AI agent. If you heard of Make.com or N8N, this is similar. Obviously, my favorite is N8N still, but this is something crazy as well. So you can build your own workspace or workflows. If you want to build an agent, you can pretty much build your own. I'll show you real quick, just like that, and then you can add obviously what you fancy building. So this, I think these are paid functions, but these functions are completely free. So scrape URL or deep research, display content, run workflow, fetch YouTube comments, scrape Instagram profile. So yeah, you just need to play around with this. The other cool part that it comes with a extension. So you can install this extension to your Google Chrome. Same, and it's called Mind Studio, so the same name. And if you go on to one of the pages, I'm not going to waste time on that, but you can just click on this one, Instant Article Document Summarizer. You run the summarizer, and it will pretty much generate for you a summary of the article. So yeah, and it's not only that, there are many options to play with. So that's it about Mind Studio AI. Next one, you might have heard of Google AI Studio, but I'm not sure if you heard of the screen share option. So the screen share option, I won't be able to show you this right now. I tried to test it earlier. There is some issue with the function. However, I did test it previously, and I did use this share screen option. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Pretty much click on share screen, and if you have any complicated tasks with like an Excel file, coding, you can pretty much share your screen, and the AI will talk to you through your screen, and will tell you what's the next step. Just had to turn the light on, it's getting a bit darker out there. So the next interesting AI tool is Glyph.ai, which is really cool. Mainly, I believe it's image generation, but I'm gonna show you, and we can explore a bit more together. I use this tool to generate some thumbnails, and if you checked my YouTube, you can see some decent thumbnails. I mean, you can make a decision on that later if you check my YouTube. So this is the prompt I have given to this tool. It's very important, by the way, the prompt. I'm gonna have a video later about prompts and how you can improve on your prompts. So yeah, as you can see, this is the prompt, find your AI tools, and this is what I'm gonna use for this video, obviously with my face on the image. Okay, let's explore. Create a glyph. So you can build a workflow on this one as well. So the input will be like a text input. So you can type something in, or you upload something, or multi-pick how it should generate, which AI tool. Like I think you can select the models, Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, many options here. And yeah, you can generate your own glyphs, as I mentioned. Here is the thumbnail. If you want to explore the thumbnail, it's really good. So you can have image generation, video design, experimental marketing automation. So many tools you can work with. I find it really interesting, especially this platform. So give it a go. Leave a comment below and let me know which tool was the most interesting. Okay, this was Glyph, and the last, and I think the most interesting new 11 Lab tool. It's called 11.ai. You can integrate 11.ai. I mean, I personally integrated with Perplexity to browse the web, and I also integrated my Google Calendar to add and cancel different type of meetings. You can name your meetings, you can add location to your meetings, and yeah, like I said, it works like a personal assistant. I won't be able to test it live. For some reason, you won't be able to hear the conversation between me and 11.ai, so it's still free. Feel free to test it yourself, and I'm pretty sure you'll be shocked by the results. And there are other things you can connect to 11.ai. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know which one was your favorite tool, and hoping to see you in the next one.